And we're back. So you just met Jake. Now, this is Allie, and I had to take a stab at her last name. It's Stricharchuk. And I was so excited because I got it. Like, I got it. Because, you know,
that's
I do not
very
like to butcher
rare.
people's names. But Allie, introduce yourself to everybody. I know we're going to see you in Jake and John Out of Smoke.
Yes.
But you were in the Purvis family. Purvis, what family?
Purvis Mansion, yes.
Oh, that thing was scary.
Yeah, that was fun. That was probably my favorite sketch we've ever done.
Okay.
I love Ben's writing. Ben Vogt.
Yeah.
His writing is hilarious. I love his sense of humor.
And you are so beautiful. So I know you're acting, but are you modeling too?
We've done a few photo shoots.
Okay.
We did an 80s photo shoot.
I can see it.
And then we did a Halloween photo shoot.
All right.
So yeah, a little bit.
And shout out to Allie. She is a new mom, and honey, let me tell you something. Her snapback is off the chain, so we want to be like you.
Thank you.
Allie, what brought you into the acting world?
Well, I did it when I was younger. And then I was in the military for 6 years.
And
okay,
so discipline.
Yeah. So I really missed that part of my life.
Okay.
And then I joined STL Live. So I joined up with Matt and AG and everybody. And then actually, it was funny. Jake and I were introduced because he had wanted to get into acting as well.
Wow.
And so, but what's even funnier is the very first sketch that we did that's playing tomorrow, we were a couple that had a baby.
And now you are a couple.
And now we have a baby.
Guys,
I know, it's so funny.
Oh my God, when love enters the film industry and blossoms into something beautiful, spectacular, and purposeful. So, Allie, let everybody know where they can find you on social media.
I'm on Facebook, Allie Stricharchuk. That is a long one.
Stricharchuk.
And that's about it.
Alrighty. So check out Allie. She is going all the way up, and we'll see you after the first set of films. Bye.